Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Top Don. This is the BT100W, and this is the 2006 Toyota Tundra. This battery was manufactured in 8 of 2019. It is 10 of 2023, so it's a little more than 4 years old. This is super easy to use when you connect the clamps to the battery. We're going to go into battery test. It's a regular flooded, we're going to choose that. Cold cranking amps, we'll choose that. And this is a 710, I've already got it set there. It'll perform the test. Alright, so it's showing that this battery health is at 47%. Its charge is at 100%, so if you check the voltage on the battery, it would come out to 12.89, and it only has 489 cold cranking amps, and the internal resistance is 5.13. So it's telling you that you need to replace this battery. Now I want to show you guys the symptoms of this battery being bad. So let me crank it up and see if you can tell. So the symptoms are, there are no symptoms. The only reason that I even thought to check this was because of the age. I don't have really good luck with batteries going more than like 3 years for some weird reason. This truck gets driven, it gets charged regularly. It doesn't sit for long periods of time, but the battery health is not any good. So thankfully I got the this. It's I'm gonna put a link on Amazon. This is it's about 79 bucks. This thing is one of the best battery chargers I've ever, or not chargers, testers I've ever used. And I want to tell you something. This is also wireless. Okay, so if I connect this back up, and I'm going to take this battery out and show you with it out of the truck that you can use it wirelessly. So if you're inside the vehicle, you can do a whole host of tests. And I'm going to do a whole review, separate video on that, but I just wanted to show you guys that sometimes a bad battery has no symptoms unless you check it. So with that being said, I'm going to take this out, get it out, put it in the garage, and we'll test it again with it just being not connected to the vehicle. Alright, so we can see pretty much the same results. The battery is no good. So what I'm going to do with this battery is I'm going to use the Noco Genius 10 battery. It has a battery repair mode on there. And I'm going to hook this up and we're going to see if we can revive this battery. I will take the caps off here and make sure that it has plenty of electrolyte in there. If there's a cell or anything that's low, we'll add some distilled water and come back after I do that, and we'll see if this made a difference. I want to show you this battery. This is the one that we're going to be using. It's the Duracell. This one's at 840 cold cranking amps, and let's test this one. Now, this is a brand new battery. It's never been installed in the car, but it is from May of 23, so the battery is it's 5 months old. It has been on the charger. So I'm going to set this to 840. Okay. Okay, so this is much different. The state of health is 100%. It has 1044 cranking amps, 12.95 volts, and the internal resistance is really low at 2.87. So this battery will be going into the Tundra, and as soon as I install it, I'll let you guys hear what it sounds like and see if you can tell any difference. Alright, I've got the brand new battery in. Terminals are cleaned and I put protectant on there. And let's see how it starts. Absolutely no difference, but this is a good healthy battery. All right, so I made sure that all the cells were properly at the right level, and they all were. I'm going to take the battery charger here, connect it to power. Hook up the clamps. Okay. And then the standby light is going to be on here. So I already know that this battery, it told us that it was fully charged. So I'm going to hold the button for about 5 seconds right here, the mode button. That'll illuminate. I'll go over here to 12 volt repair, and it'll do this for 4 hours. So we'll come back and see what the results are. We'll test the battery again, see if there's been any improvement. Alright, so unfortunately the NOCO battery charger, the repair mode, was not able to bring the battery back. Over a period of about, I'm going to say 3 or 4 days, I used it about 5 different times in the repair mode, and it just, I kept testing it and it was basically no change. The battery was 4 years old, so sometimes you can't make a miracle happen. There was, obviously, it had degraded more than it would have been able to rectify it. I have done 1 or 2 batteries with the NOCO on the repair mode that return them back to 100% health. And, you know, sometimes if a battery's too far gone, it's just not gonna create a miracle. So anyway, I took the battery back as my core charge, got that back, and I will continue to, if I get any other batteries like that, I'll show you guys the, you know, what it can do. But it has, I'm very impressed with it. And like I said, I think I've done 2 batteries. So that's 2 that it worked on and 1 that it didn't. So I'm definitely ahead of the game. But so yeah, I'm gonna put a link in Amazon for that specific charger that I used, and I think it's probably one of the best. Well, it is the best charger, multi-use charger that I've ever used. So far so good. All right, guys. Well, thank you very much, and I will talk to you on the next video.